Good afternoon everybody and welcome to our new video, Nando's Peri Peri Scrambled Eggs. It's one of them things that Saturday night get a little bit of a craving for a Nando's, so we'd always order take scissors on. Listen to the scissors. It'd be every single Saturday we'd order a Nando's at home, and I thought, oh look at all these sachets of Nando's. Got loads of eggs from the milkman. And I thought, I know, why don't I try a combo of Nando's sauce and mix it with a little bit of scrambled eggs. And I tell you, the result was beautiful. Basil, I hit it with some basil. You don't really need to worry about too much salt and pepper, but you can add that to it if you want to, but just keep the eggs moving around inside the pan. I was dead chuffed with the result, it was beautiful. And it's just one of those things, if you like a little bit of spice, then I'd say yeah, go for your medium, but Nando's has got, as Nando's fans know, there are lots of different types of Nando's sauces available in supermarkets. You can always just buy a bottle of it, and I just think it goes really well with the eggs. It was just something I did for fun. Listen to the sizzle again, it was beautiful. Depends how you like your eggs done. Look at the close-up shot of that. It was beautiful, believe you me. Keep it moving about so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan like it was obviously there, don't you, she says. But of course, I was happy with the result. Boom. Whack it in a bowl. You can top it up with some more sauce if you like extra spice, but I think it was spicy enough for me. There you go.